to the quiet ones, the engine of our success. Every day, in every way, they quietly bring out our best. They put safety first for everyone, always. They safeguard and care. They protect and preserve and keep us all safe. They deliver today and create excellence for tomorrow. They are dedicated. They sacrifice. They put others first and work with quiet pride. There are people among us who raise the bar for us all. They challenge the accepted ways and produce a better result. They stand us above the rest. We come from every country and we work together as a team. And there are giants among us who go further. They uplift, they enrich, they embrace. There are things that matter. There are times to speak up. We honour those who come forward, who speak boldly for the truth. So here's to the quiet ones, the engine of our success. We are all in their debt. Let's give them a salute.